affordable prices, and most importantly, clinical excellence. Come see the Restivo difference, where they offer blade-free all-laser LASIK. So book a complimentary LASIK screening today and get qualifying discounts up to $1,500 by calling 512-927-2020. That's 512-927-2020. See 2020austin.com.
This is your time to tell your Honda envy goodbye. Start something new in one of Honda's award-winning vehicles. For style and sophistication, try the 2019 Honda Accord LX, one of Car and Driver's 10 best. It features a push-start button, a head-up display, automatic climate control, and of course my favorite, Honda Sensing. It's Honda's suite of safety and driver-assisted features, like lane watch, adaptive cruise control, collision detection, and road departure. Honda Sensing comes standard on the 2019 Honda Pilot EXL, a Kelley Blue Book's KBB.com Best Buy Award winner. It features a power tailgate, one-touch second-row seats, and an available in-car PA system. So tell that Honda envy goodbye and test drive your perfect Honda today. CentralTexasHondaDealers.com. Texas loves Honda. For more information, visit KelleyBlueBooksKBB.com. Kelley Blue Book is a registered trademark of Kelley Blue Book Co. Incorporated. Car and Driver, January 2019.
Welcome to Austin City Limits Radio. Just pull up a chair, you'll fit right in. 97.1 KGSR. Because we like chairs.